and it will be a reasonable afternoon for most. Bright spells, a few showers kicking about, but many places will be dry. It's actually been pretty wet this morning across parts of Northern Ireland, but things will pick up through this afternoon, 3 o'clock, some sunshine. Some sunshine across West Wales, but further east, a band of thicker cloud and patchy rain, and that'll be pushing its way down towards southwest England, although for a time I think there will be some sunshine for parts of Cornwall and Devon. None too warm along the exposed coast, but inland up to the mid-teens in most places. Not too bad across southeast England. Again, the odd shower here or there, but they'll be fairly isolated, and most of us will stay dry with some sunshine, feeling reasonably warm. One exception to the warmth will be northeast England. Along the coast, it's going to stay very grey and very chilly. 10 if you're lucky, near 8 or 9, I think, for many parts of the coast, but brighter further west in Scotland. Now, this evening, all the action is down across the southeast of England. Some heavy rain pushing out of France and Belgium, up across other parts of England and Wales. Some uncertainty about the track, but it'll be knocking on the door of Northern Ireland before the end of the night. Heavy and thundery rain potentially as well, so a change in the weather here. Still the odd thundery burst rumbling around across southwest England first thing in the morning. This is 8 o'clock. A lot of cloud, low cloud too, very little in the way of brightness. Still some bursts of rain around Wales as well, pushing up through the Irish Sea. Probably will be a wet old start to the day, we think, for Northern Ireland. Again, still the odd rumble of thunder possible, some heavy bursts here. Probably the best bet for brightness first thing tomorrow will be Western Scotland. Set to be a fine day here, but I'm afraid again across eastern areas of Scotland, particularly along the coast, it will be particularly poor, grey and misty and the odd spot of drizzle, and temperatures won't get much higher than 6 or 7 degrees all day long. Still the odd shower across the Midlands, and then signs of a change again across the far southeast and East Anglia. Here, brighter skies, and these sunnier conditions will pull their way across many central and eastern parts of England as we go through the day, sparking off the odd thunderstorm because temperatures will be rising. Now, we've got a temperature map here. It gets more and more yellow and eventually orange across parts of central and eastern England. Somebody somewhere just to the west of London could hit 20 or even 21. That's knocking on the door of 70 Fahrenheit, possibly the warmest day of the year so far. What a contrast with northeast England. Yes, just 9 degrees in Newcastle, resolutely cloudy again. That low cloud stubborn to move away. So some brightness elsewhere. Most places should get up into the low to mid-teens, if anything. Now, a lot of changes taking place, as you can see, over the next